everyone. Welcome back to the Word Craft Hub, your friendly place to learn real English for real life.
Hi guys, I'm Puja and this is my co-host Kartik. Today we're taking you somewhere fun and useful. We're going to the mall.
That's right. We learn how to speak English at the mall, how to shop, ask for prices, try on clothes, and talk politely with shop assistants.
So if you love shopping or even if you just want to sound confident when you go out, stay tuned. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your English learning friends.
All right, grab your shopping bag. Let's go to the mall.
Okay Kartik, we've just arrived at the mall. What's the first thing we usually do?
I look for a map or a directory to find the stores I want to visit.
Exactly. And here's a useful phrase for that. Excuse me, where is the clothing store? Or, can you tell me where the food court is?
Nice. Let's repeat that slowly together. Excuse me, where is the clothing store?
Perfect pronunciation. When you start your question with excuse me, it sounds polite and natural.
Yes, never forget to say excuse me when asking for help. It's a small word but shows good manners.
All right, we're inside a clothing store now. I love shopping for dresses.
And I'm here for a new jacket. Let's see how we can talk to the shop assistant in English.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a blue dress.
Sure. What size do you wear?
Medium, please.
Here you go. You can try it in the fitting room over there.
Thank you.
See how easy that was? Let's learn a few phrases from that conversation.
I'm looking for means I want to find. Example, I'm looking for a red shirt.
What size do you wear? Used for clothes. You can answer small, medium, or large.
You can try it on means you can wear it to see if it fits.
Now, repeat after us, everyone.
I'm looking for a blue dress.
What size do you wear?
You can try it on.
Nice job. Now, imagine you found something you like, but you don't see the price tag. What should you say?
You can say, excuse me, how much is this? Or, can you tell me the price of this shirt?
Exactly. Let's make a short dialogue.
Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
It's 1500 rupees.
That's a bit expensive. Do you have any discount?
Yes, there's 20% off today.
Oh, great. I'll take it.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
Here's your bill. Have a nice day. Now that's a full shopping conversation. Simple and natural.
Let's review some useful phrases from that scene.
How much is this?
Do you have any discount?
I'll take it.
Cash or card?
Remember to speak politely and smile. It makes your English sound confident and friendly.
Shopping makes me hungry. Let's go to the food court.
Good idea. I want pizza.
Okay, let's practice how to order food in English.
Hello, what would you like to order?
Hi, I'd like a slice of pizza and a cool drink, please.
Sure. Would you like something else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, your total is rupees 250.
Here's 300.
Here's your change. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks a lot.
That's how you order food in English. Easy and polite.
Let's look at some useful food phrases. I'd like. It means I want, but more polite.
That's all. Thank you.
Here's your change.
Now, repeat after us.
I'd like a burger and fries, please.
That's all. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Great work. Sometimes malls are big and confusing. You might not know where to go.
Yes, you can ask for help like this. Excuse me, where is the restroom? Can you tell me how to get to the cinema? Is there an ATM nearby?
Let's do a quick example. Excuse me, where is the toy store?
It's on the second floor next to the food court.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Always remember to start with excuse me and end with thank you. That's the magic of polite English.
Absolutely. Politeness makes a big difference.
Let's quickly review some mall vocabulary.
Mall, a big shopping center.
Store, shop, a place where you buy things.
Fitting room, a room to try clothes.
Cashier, the person who takes your money.
Sale or discount, lower prices.
Bill, receipt, paper showing what you bought.
Escalator, moving stairs.
Food court, place where you eat.
Let's practice pronunciation together. Mall, store, cashier, discount, escalator.
Perfect. You sound great already.
Sometimes you meet a friend at the mall. Let's see how that conversation goes.
Hey, Kartik. What a surprise. What are you doing here?
Hey, Puja, I'm just shopping for some clothes. What about you?
Same here. I'm looking for shoes.
Nice. Let's grab a coffee after shopping.
Great idea. There is a cafe upstairs.
Simple, right? You can use these lines for everyday English conversations.
Yes, let's repeat. What are you doing here? I'm just shopping. Let's grab a coffee.
Here's a small grammar tip. When we talk about what we're doing right now, we use the present continuous tense.
Yes, it's am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing. For example, I'm shopping. She's buying a dress. They're eating pizza.
Let's make 3 sentences together. Shirt. He's trying on shoes. We're having lunch.
Perfect. That's how you describe your actions in real life.
Now it's your turn, dear viewers.
Answer these questions in the comments in English. 1. What do you like to buy at the mall? 2. How often do you go shopping? 3. What's your favorite store?
Here's a simple example. I like to buy clothes at the mall. I go once a month. My favorite store is Zara.
Write your answers below. We'll read some of them in our next video.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We practiced asking for help, excuse me, where is the store? Asking prices, how much is this? Ordering food, I'd like a pizza please. Talking to friends, let's grab a coffee. Using the present continuous, I'm shopping.
And learned useful mall words like fitting room, cashier, and discount.
Well done, everyone. You're one step closer to speaking real English with confidence.
That's all for today's episode. Real life English practice at the mall.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Next time, we'll practice another fun real life topic, ordering food at a restaurant.
So stay tuned, keep smiling, and keep learning English.
Only on the Wordcraft Hub.
Bye, everyone.